Hello, good morning, everyone. It's nice to see you today. Today is Tuesday, October 20. Yes, it's a nice day today, and we have some news. As in the head title, we see that it's a Bitcoin price has toward 12,000 at the stock drops based on the big websites. Yes, let's me turn on. Okay, you all can have a good views about the news, about the article of today. Yes, Bitcoin is often regarded as a safe haven asset, has again economic uncertainty. That narrative is being put to the test now, and the world faces an unprecedented financial crisis as a result of the pandemic. And now we see the news today as the price of the Bitcoin go up while the stock drop. And I would like to say hello to our new audience today. Hello, Ngọc Hiếu YouTuber. Yes, at the moment we see the chart here. The price of Bitcoin is on the rise, heading toward 12,000 for the first time in 2 months. It's just as the stock are plummeting following the statement of the concern from the IMF, International Monetary Fund. Yes, BTC price will with the day the BTC price with daily candle here. We can see it's on the price, the rising. Yes, last week, the IMF managing director, Kristalina Georgieva, made some polemic comments regarding the need for the world economies to increase their debts while calling for new Bretton Woods movement. Yeah, that's right. That it will make in the, she said in the speech that we expect 2021 debt levels going up significantly to around 125% of the GDP in advanced economies, 65% of the GDP in emerging markets, and 50% of the GDP in low-income countries. Yes, we hear that follow that bullish weekend for Bitcoin while traditional market panicked. On Friday, Bitcoin actually dropped from 11,500 to low near 11,100. But seeing its records and recovered and have been heading upwards for the last 3 days. At the moment, Bitcoin above 11,700 and heading toward 12,000 for the first time since mid-August. Yes, let me say hello to our new audience. Hello, Jenny Hu. Now, thanks for joining our live stream this morning. Yes, what is the Bretton Woods movement? And let's discover what the Bretton Woods movement does is make the people feel like that. And later we will find another article about this. According to the IMF, the need for new Bretton Woods movement is based on the idea that governments around the world must develop solutions to the global chaos caused by the pandemic. The economic loss caused by this crisis are arguably more significant than those of the 28th financial crisis, which coincidentally resulted in the Bitcoin burst. To deal with the effects of the stagnant economy, the world government have resorted to printing money like there's no tomorrow. In US, the Federal Reserve says could bring money to infinity. And while this seems to be more open stage toward a possible digitalization of the economy, there's no sign that the Fed plans to change its policy to encourage more debt and generating greater inflation. And with the BTC, we see the stock market evidently didn't like Kai to talk. Today, the SP 500 and the Dow Jones X dropped around 1%. Let's see the stock here. The stock of the Dow Jones dropped. Now it's dropped 1.63%. Yes, 1.63%. And now the price, meanwhile, the gold is up again, and now the price over 1,900 per ounce, and it's going from $24 to almost $25 per ounce. Looking to alternative store of the value seems to be the common mindset right now. And let's see another article to say about what is the IMF's calling for the new Bretton Woods movement. That doesn't mean the new gold standard. Yeah, it's let's see here, because the gold investor have jumped on the commentary at the IMF supporting the idea of the new gold standard. However, the commentary did not mention the gold once. And we see gold is the only way back to monetary policy in a direct way. Hello, Jenny. If you have any question, please let me know. Let us know. It's nice to see you join our live stream. And our main topic today is Bitcoin price heading toward 12,000 at the stock drop. So let's discuss about this. Okay, let me continue with the article about the IMF calling for the new Bretton Woods movement. Instead of adopting a new global currency model, Xeonbit say it's now time for nations to come together to work to solve issues that impacting the global economy. We will have a chance to address some persistent problem: low productivity, slow growth, high inequalities, a looming climate crisis. She says we can do better than build back the pre-pandemic world. We can build forward to a world that's more resilient, sustainable, and inconclusive. So far this year, global fiscal and monetary policy have pumped more than 12 trillion into the financial market. Meanwhile, central bank balance sheet have grown more than $7 trillion. Georgieva said that the more stimulus will be needed to support the global economy. Are you sure about that? Supporting demand is essential for some time. Withdrawing too early risks grave and unwarranted economic harm. There's some information inside the Bretton Woods, and the Bretton Woods Conference in 1944 established the US dollar as the reserve currency, which was next to the price of the gold. The agreement looked at preventing competitive devaluations of the currency and promoting international economic growth. Looking to the future, Geoffrey said that the new framework should deal with the issues like restructuring unsustainable debt, investing in young people to make sure they have access to healthcare and education, and deal with the climate change. And we see more information about the price analysts trial on 19 October 19 about on the crypto. And let's see about the crypto market's sentiment appear to be improving